Welcome back. TVS is celebrating 100 years of togetherness. TVS launched its 2012 Apache series RTR with new styling. Company which is expanding its market in the state says that this bike is meant for youth-focusing style.
TVS launched its new 2012 Apache series RTR with new styling. The new breed of TVS Apache RTRs shoulders unique LED pilot lamps that are activated on ignition night or day. Company says that this styling bike is meant for youth.
It is the youth and the racing enthusiasts who are there, who do travel quite a distance during the day and would like at styling as one of the major features in the vehicles.
The TVS Apache RTR 180 ABS costs Rs 82,780. Company is now concentrating on expansion of its business in the state.
Added one more dealership here in Madgaon, so we have now 2 main dealers. Added to that, we have authorized service points which we have appointed. We have now totally 6. We have planned to appoint another 4 more. So, and these service points would be attached to the main dealerships, but they will be available as service touch points for the customers, which is very, very valid. And we would like to look at various pockets in terms of the volumes as well as the reach of the customers. So that's a focus program which we are looking at in Goa.
Our video journalist Dinesh Karpe with Rohan Da Costa.
Now news from sports. India international defender Gouramangi Singh wants to put the season gone by behind him and look ahead to the new beginning to his club career. The 26-year-old centre-back will turn out for big spanning Prayag United in the 2012-13 season after bringing to an end his 5-year stint with Churchill Brothers. Gouramangi is also excited about the positive transition in the Indian football scenario.
2011-2012 I-League was one of the closest affairs in the National League history. Gouramangi's Churchill Brothers were also in the title race, but crucial mistakes in defence let the Reds down. Looking back, Gouramangi feels he could have done much better.
Personally, if I have to say about my form, then definitely I could have done better, very much better. But sometimes it's like certain things is not in your control, so you just have to keep trying, because this season is not the end of my career. There's more career to come. Long more years to come, more I-League. So definitely I'll be keep trying to do better.
One of the best centre-backs with heading ability India have produced. Gouramangi was the winner of I-League with Churchill in 2008-2009 season. Sadly for Churchill fans, Gouramangi has been lured away for next season to the ambitious Prayag United in Kolkata.
I have spent my 5 years in Churchill and 2 years in Goa, more so 7 years I've stayed here, and I love this place. That's the reason why, because in previous year, like 2 years back, 3 years back, when always I get a couple of offers from Calcutta, I never any intent to think about it, because I'm too happy here. But I'm still very happy. The only fact is that I thought okay, maybe probably it's the right time for you to a change and look for a challenge. And then when Prayag honestly offered me, it's not just about the monetary, it's just about the money, it's just the package. I mean, if tomorrow if East Bengal or Mohun Bagan won an I-League next year or in the next 1 or 2 whatever, it would be the same. For them is that they have won so much of trophy. They have been history. They have been the biggest club in the country. Then when Prayag offered, they say they're trying to get a lot more other experienced players. And then I was it excites me. I said if Prayag have never won anything, so if they can win something tomorrow, and they will be hungry to success, and if I can be part of it, I thought that was the best idea, to take up this challenge and be part of the team, because they will be really, really hungry to, win a match, win a tournament, win a trophy. So, just want to be part of this. The sole reason, that I'm coming there. Yeah.
Gouramangi, a couple of seasons back, you had trials in Australia, and as far as your ambition goes, how do you rate your chances to, play your league football outside India?
Well, it's always very difficult and very tough, because that's anyone's, I think any Indian player's dreams to go out and test it themselves to the better league, whether it's in Australia or in Europe, anywhere. But it's always, I think, a couple of other guys, my colleagues, have been trying, and it's very difficult. But at the same time, I think you should not be you can keep trying, as long as you're fit enough and you're playing good, you should keep trying. But at the same time, I think even the I-League standard is slowly, and there's a lot of competition among the I-Leagues, and slowly, we are getting to little professional among even off the pitch, even the thinking, the attitudes, and so I'm just happy being part of this change and transition of the I-League, and so just great, yeah.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Salgaonkar Sports Club seniors might have failed to notch up domestic success this year, but their boys have shown their class in the GFA Under-16 tournament. The Green Brigade defeated Vasco Sports Club by a solitary goal to win the Under-16 title at Vasco on Thursday.
Salgaonkar's youngsters have consistently produced good performances year after year. Yet again, Salgaonkar have proved too good. Former international player Prakash Naik was the chief guest and gave away the prizes.
No doubt, Salgaonkar Bori team. Because Bore player ha. I was the coach when I took the same players who are playing now with Salgaonkar. Half of them are with me and half of them are with Salgaonkar. They are better players than my players. But they are well organized. I could say all the substitutes are with me and first 11 players with them. But they are really good team. Okay, so teachers for them, and they really worked hard. And our boys always practicing, and they gave their best. They gave their best. I think a lot of heat, a lot of that what matters.
मुझे बुद्धियांचर फेथ आहे each team last year MUPC जिंकले देखून and all India finalists, and they missed many chances, but anyhow we won by 1-0 goal. It was great. Most of the players were injured. We could not field our full team. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Plans of the
Yes, carrying on with this same team to under 18. One day we'll win the under 20 I League.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Matkekar.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Co-op. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.